Might even. Sometimes I look around. I'm pretty good about looking around in my parts piles, and sometimes I find stuff that would work pretty well for other stuff. You know, you never know what I'm going to find, or where I'm going to find it, or what I'm going to do with it once I find it. Like that right there. What's that for? What can I do with it? Let's take a look. Well, it's got a salt pan in it. Now, one of the things I need to do with one of them trucks is to hinge the cab. Just notice this here's got some kind of hinge pin. Let's take a look at that. So what if, we were talking about that cab a while ago, what if I use this? Y'all can't see what I'm doing. If I use this as a hinge pin for that truck cab, well, that's just perfect. I don't even know where this came from. It came with something, but it looks like it would make a real good hinge for that truck cab over there. It's even got a removable pin, which would make it even better, because that way if he wanted to ever pull the cab off, he might require a little bit of modulation and regurgitation, but I think I can make it work. It would look better if it went this way. Yeah, but we can make that work. So, I don't think that's a frame, although it could be. I probably got something better. Let's go look. I can feel my toes and my fingers complaining about the cold. I might need to go in and let them rest a little bit in 2 minutes. But, well, I'll take this mirror down to Georgia and put it on a Rambler. I was trying to get a. I'm gonna have to start a pile, and I've got a couple boxes. I say when I bought that jack with some heads in, so I'm gonna put this mirror in a pile because I could use that to go on my Rambler. I tried putting on a mirror on that thing; it didn't work. Yeah, I could do a truck frame, maybe. What about that for a truck frame? Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna cut me out. Oh, my toes are freezing, even as I'm saying this. I'm gonna put my gloves on, cut me out some more tires. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go in the house and warm my feet up. Sometimes my excitement for the project gets ahead of my good sense when it comes to how cold I am. Any of y'all's ever lived in the frozen north know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you really want to do it. Sometimes better sense calls for you to give in and go in and let your body parts thaw out, especially when you're an old retired guy. You don't have to be out here. You know, when you work, like, I used to work construction, and I had to stand there and make T's and corners on a construction site all day long because the boss was paying me to. Wasn't paying me much neither, but that's another story. But once I got retired, I can be my own boss, and if I don't make any profit on a given day, we don't have to shut the factory down and lay everybody off. So it's a beautiful thing. I tell you, retirement's a beautiful thing. I think everybody should do it if they can. I'm going to turn this light out, turn that light out, and then we'll come back to this when my toes are thawed out a little bit. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. And be kind to your mom and them.